The Suzuki Hayabusa is not just a motorcycle, it is a global icon that has redefined the meaning of speed, power, and road presence. Since its first launch, the Hayabusa has been known as a machine that dominates highways with its bold design and unmatched performance. The name Hayabusa itself comes from the peregrine falcon, the fastest bird in the world, and this identity is clearly reflected in the bike's DNA. Every curve, every line, and every component is designed to deliver a thrilling riding experience while maintaining long-distance comfort. At the heart of the Suzuki Hayabusa lies a powerful 1,340 cubic centimeters inline four-cylinder engine that delivers smooth yet aggressive power across the entire RPM range. This engine is famous for its strong low-end torque and explosive top-end performance, making the bike equally enjoyable in city cruising and high-speed highway riding. Acceleration feels effortless, and the power delivery is refined, controlled, and confidence-inspiring. Despite its massive performance, the engine remains smooth and stable, even at higher speeds, which is one of the reasons the Hayabusa has earned legendary status among sport bike enthusiasts. The design of the Suzuki Hayabusa is instantly recognizable. Its aerodynamic bodywork is not just for looks, but is carefully engineered to reduce drag and improve stability at high speeds. The wide front fairing, sharp LED headlights, muscular fuel tank, and flowing tail section give the bike a futuristic yet aggressive appearance. From the front, the Hayabusa looks intimidating, and from the side, its stretched stance highlights its performance-focused character. The build quality feels premium, with attention to detail visible in every part of the motorcycle. Suzuki has equipped the Hayabusa with advanced electronics to ensure that riders can handle its immense power safely. Multiple riding modes allow the rider to choose between different power characteristics depending on road conditions and riding style. Traction control, launch control, wheelie control, and engine brake management work together to provide a controlled and predictable ride. These features make the Hayabusa not only fast but also surprisingly manageable, even for long rides or varying road surfaces. Comfort is another area where the Suzuki Hayabusa excels. Unlike many aggressive sport bikes, the riding posture of the Hayabusa is relatively relaxed. The seat is well padded, the handlebars are positioned for comfort, and the foot pegs offer a balanced riding stance. This makes the bike suitable for long-distance touring as well as daily riding. Many riders choose the Hayabusa for cross-country trips because it combines superbike performance with touring comfort, something very few motorcycles can achieve. The suspension setup on the Hayabusa is tuned to provide both stability and comfort. It absorbs road imperfections well while maintaining excellent control at high speeds. Whether riding on smooth highways or slightly rough roads, the bike feels planted and confident. The braking system is equally impressive, with strong and responsive brakes that provide excellent stopping power. Even at high speeds, the braking performance remains consistent and reassuring.